Have you ever dreamed of sharing your knowledge and passions with the world? Online courses provide the perfect platform to do just that, while also generating income. Creating a successful online course can be incredibly rewarding. However, it also presents a unique set of challenges. Many people struggle to translate their expertise into engaging course content. Identifying and reaching the right audience for your course can feel like an uphill battle. Marketing and selling your course effectively requires time, effort, and often a financial investment. Then, there's the challenge of scaling your course to reach a wider audience and maximize your earning potential. These hurdles can seem daunting, but the rewards of creating a successful online course make overcoming them worthwhile. Creating a profitable online course involves more than just recording yourself talking about your area of expertise. It requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of your subject matter. First and foremost, you need to create high-quality content that is both informative and engaging. This content should provide real value to your students and help them achieve their learning goals. This means carefully structuring your course, designing visually appealing slides, and incorporating interactive elements to keep students engaged. Think about quizzes, discussion forums, and hands-on projects. Next, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Understanding who your ideal students are will help you tailor your content to meet their specific needs. Who are you creating this course for? Are they beginners, intermediates, or advanced learners? Knowing this will guide your course structure and content depth. What are their pain points and aspirations? Addressing these in your course will make it more relevant and valuable to your students. Once you have a clear understanding of your ideal student, you can tailor your marketing efforts to reach them effectively. This involves crafting messages that resonate with their needs and desires. Marketing plays a vital role in the success of any online course. Without effective marketing, even the best course can go unnoticed. You need to get the word out about your course and persuade potential students that it's worth their time and money. Highlight the benefits and outcomes they can expect. This often involves utilizing a combination of content marketing, social media promotion, email marketing, and potentially even paid advertising. Each channel has its strengths and can help you reach a broader audience. Finally, once you have a successful course, you'll want to think about scaling. Scaling allows you to reach more students and increase your revenue. This could involve creating additional courses, offering different pricing tiers, or even partnering with affiliates to promote your course to a wider audience. The possibilities are endless when it comes to expanding your educational offerings. This is where DeepSeek AI steps in to simplify the entire process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. DeepSeek AI is an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to empower course creators like you, providing tools that are both powerful and user-friendly. With DeepSeek AI, you can streamline content creation, optimize marketing strategies, and scale your courses with ease, all from a single platform. Imagine being able to generate engaging course content, complete with compelling scripts, and visually appealing slides with just a few clicks. This means you can focus more on teaching and less on the technicalities. DeepSeek AI's content generation tool can help you do just that, saving you hours of work and ensuring high-quality output. By analyzing your input and drawing on its vast knowledge base, DeepSeek AI can help you craft high-quality course materials that will captivate your audience, keeping them engaged and eager to learn. But DeepSeek AI's capabilities extend far beyond content creation, offering a suite of tools designed to enhance every aspect of your course. Its powerful audience analysis tools can provide you with invaluable insights into your target market, helping you refine your marketing efforts and reach the right students for your course, ensuring maximum impact. DeepSeek AI also offers a range of marketing tools and strategies to help you promote your course effectively, from social media campaigns to email marketing. From crafting compelling marketing copy to identifying the best platforms to reach your target audience, DeepSeek AI ensures your message is heard loud and clear. DeepSeek AI can be your virtual marketing assistant, guiding you through each step and helping you achieve your goals with confidence. Sarah's success story, from idea to income with DeepSeek AI. Let's take a look at Sarah's story. Sarah is a talented photographer who had always dreamed of sharing her passion and knowledge with others by creating an online course. She envisioned a platform where she could teach aspiring photographers the art of capturing stunning images. However, the thought of navigating the complexities of course creation, marketing, and scaling felt overwhelming. The technical aspects and the sheer amount of work involved seemed like insurmountable obstacles. Unsure of where to begin, Sarah stumbled upon DeepSeek AI and decided to give it a try. She was intrigued by its promise to simplify the entire process. Using DeepSeek AI's content generation tools, Sarah was able to quickly and easily create high-quality course materials, including engaging video lessons and downloadable resources. The platform's intuitive interface made it easy for her to bring her vision to life. DeepSeek AI's audience analysis tools helped Sarah identify her target audience and tailor her marketing efforts accordingly. She could now focus her energy on reaching the right people. She was amazed by how much easier it was to reach potential students who were genuinely interested in her course. The AI-driven insights provided her with a clear strategy for engagement. Within just a few months of launching her online course, Sarah had already surpassed her initial sales goals. The growth was beyond her expectations. She was thrilled with the success of her course and credited DeepSeek AI with making the entire process so much smoother and more enjoyable. Sarah's journey from idea to income was a testament to the power of leveraging advanced technology. DeepSeek AI, simplifying course creation, amplifying profits. DeepSeek AI simplifies the course creation process by generating engaging content, say goodbye to writer's block, and hello to effortlessly creating compelling course scripts, presentations, and supplementary materials. Identifying your ideal students. Uncover valuable insights into your target audience's demographics, interests, and learning preferences to tailor your course and marketing for maximum impact. Crafting effective marketing strategies. From crafting persuasive ad copy to pinpointing the best platforms to reach your audience, DeepSeek AI empowers you to market your course strategically, scaling with ease. As your course gains traction, DeepSeek AI provides the tools and strategies you need to expand your reach, increase enrollment, and maximize your revenue potential. DeepSeek AI empowers you to overcome the challenges of online course creation and unlock your full profit potential. Ready to embark on your online course adventure? DeepSeek AI empowers you to transform your knowledge and passions into a thriving online course business. With its intuitive tools and AI-powered features, DeepSeek AI helps you navigate every step of the course creation journey, from content generation to marketing and scaling. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Embrace the power of DeepSeek AI and unlock a world of possibilities in the exciting world of online courses. Join the DeepSeek AI community, ready to share your expertise with the world. Start creating your dream online course today with DeepSeek AI. Visit our website or contact our support team to learn more about how DeepSeek AI can help you achieve your online course goals. We're excited to be a part of your success story. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for more insights, tips, and exclusive content on online course creation.